In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Discord stuck on black or gray screen. Now first, what we can try is come down here and search for the task manager. In here, click on details, click anywhere and press D. Look for a Discord and see if you have Discord open. Now I don't, but if you have Discord anywhere, you're gonna click on it and end the task. Then simply try and reopen. Now if that doesn't work, you can find your Discord right here, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and activate both of these two. Now once you've done that, try and relaunch Discord and see if that works. Now if that still doesn't work, we can come down here and search for run, search for %appdata%, open up, and from in here what you want to do is delete your Discord folder, come back to app data, go into local, and in here also delete this Discord folder. Now don't worry, deleting these is not going to do anything bad, it's going to regenerate when you open the game. So once you try that and open Discord, see if that works. Now if this still doesn't work, we can come down here, search for CMD, type ipconfig/flush DNS, press enter and see if this works. Now as a last resort, if none of these works, we can come down here and search for apps and features, find Discord, uninstall Discord, and then go to the Discord webpage and reinstall it. Now I really hope any of these fixed your issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.